Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the Marvel Legends Thanos from the Marvel Legends 2-pack with Psylocke. So ito yung box niya, window type packaging. Si Psylocke nandito sa left side and si Thanos nasa right side. Palagay dito, Psylocke versus Thanos. This is a very cool box dahil inspired siya by the Marvel vs. Capcom 2 na visual design. So you can see the artwork na pixel art ni Psylocke and the pose of the action figure na ginagaya yung poses sa game. You have the Psylocke text here, Psylocke logo, VS Thanos logo, tapos meron din ditong half ng face ni Thanos na pixelated din. Very cool design. Tapos dito sa likod you have the training room, the life bar, infinite timer, Psylocke and Thanos. And Hasbro logo dito sa lower right. Very cool box art. And yung Psylocke hindi ko naman kailangan yan. So ito lang kailangan ko para sa client natin. Thank you very much Champagne Toys and Games. Thank you very much Sir Dwight Christian Valenzuela. Sa kanya ko nakuha tong Thanos. Okay, measure muna natin yung height niya. Thanos stands around 7.5 inches tall. Kapag kasama yung kanyang tip ng kanyang horns or ng head armor design, it's around 8 inches tall. Tapos yung width niya 5 inches and yung depth ay halos 2 inches. This is a very nice design of Thanos kasi yun nga, naglaro ko ng MVC2 dati and kasama siya din sa roster list, and hopefully gawin lahat ni Marvel Legends yung characters dun sa Marvel vs. Capcom 2 na roster. Sobrang angas doon. You can create your own Marvel vs. Capcom 2 na display. So this one is Thanos. Very muscular yung body. Very large build. Naglabas na rin ako ng ibang action figures for comparison later. Okay. Ang accessory lang dito kay Thanos isang alt hand lang. Okay. Okay, so let's start with the head. The head's very nice. May mga texture yung kanyang chin. Daming divisions ng kanyang chin. Tapos you have the teeth. Gloss yung teeth niya. Para siyang nakasmile na ginigreen niya yung teeth niya. It's like a greening expression. And then you have the folds of face. You have the nose, red eyes. Itong head armor niya para siyang ini-emphasize niya yung eyebrows. Parang mukha siyang angry. And at the same time, nakangiti siya. You also have the yellow circle dito sa ears. And the very large na chest and shoulder armor. It's a one-piece armor na nag-extend pati dito sa upper back. And gusto ko rin yung mold niya na nakikita din yung sculpt ng kanyang chest. You have the chest na muscles, stomach. You have the waist armor. Yung waist armor niya, meron siyang malaking belt. And also sa likod, very muscular. Meron din siyang mga straps dito around the arms. Hindi ko alam kung separate piece pa to dapat. Not so sure. I think strap to ng ng shoulder armor. Hindi ko na sure kung anong dapat kulay niyan. So let me check. Wala, hindi kita dun sa sa game eh. Yung sa game wala siyang ganito yung fold sa body. Okay, and then you have the vertical na line, orange line. Very nice paint application. Itong finish na to very glossy, tapos dito very matte. Ito satin. Iba-iba yung finish niya eh. Tapos ito yung Infinity Gauntlet. You have the red, gold, blue, purple, orange, and green. And then you also have another gauntlet here, or gauntlet. Ito Infinity Gauntlet. Okay, you have crotch protector. You have the legs, very muscular legs, very nice boots, laki ng kanyang paa for stability. Okay, for articulation, up, down, 360 yung head, tilt, well, meron din kahit konti. I think hindi na ito matatanggal. Okay, for articulation, pwede kaya ito okay, you can turn the arms around, 360, out, swivel, okay, pwede. You can bend, wala na, hindi mo na pwedeng mabend to. Yan, ganyan lang. Sobrang liit lang ng ng arm, ng elbow articulation niya kasi nga nakaharangan itong gauntlet. Okay, okay, tapos itong ab crunch, pwede stretch side to side, wala na, pero pwede siyang mag 360 na rotation sa waist. Meron din siyang thigh cut, you can kick that far, back kick that far. Tapos double jointed yung kanyang knee, pwede mo rin, meron ba tong cut sa knee? Wala. Double joint ball joint yung paa, can move out, move down and yung fingers naka snap. Okay, ano na to, naka pre-post na to, naka post na yan. Okay, overall, teka, size comparison muna. Teka, size comparison. Meron tayong mga figures dito for size comparison. Meron tayong mga MCF and Jada Toys. So, ito si Blanca with Thanos. Fei Long with Thanos. Ito, MCF, Batman, DC Rebirth. Okay. Tapos, Kami, Jada Toys. Nilabas ko itong mga toys na to kasi ginagawa akong reference for my comic book paintings, comic book illustrations. Okay. And Sagat. Kasing tangkad sila ng Sagat. Ang angas nito. Ayan. So, yun lang mga ma'am sir. Kung gusto nyo ng Thanos na to, you can buy this from around 1,100 plus. Depende kung saan kayo makakabili. Thank you very much again, Champagne Toys and Games, for this very nice na action figure. So yun, kung gusto nyo magbuo ng MVC2 na collection, pwede kayo mag-start sa Marvel Legends kasi marami ng characters na release. So pili na lang kayo doon kung ano yung kung sino yung character na gusto nyo simulan based dun sa roster list. Marami nang nalabas. Cable, Psylocke, Wolverine, Seeds, ano pa ba yun? Dami pa. Cyclops. Sa Jada Toys, pwede rin kayo pumili. Ryu, Ken, daming options. Kaya yun, mga ma'am sir, thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye bye.